Welcome to the Winning Edge Investments podcast. Winning Edge Investments provides industry-leading horse racing and sports betting tips, ratings and education, enabling you to invest intelligently and treat your betting like a business. Go to www.winningedgeinvestments.com to learn more about how you can start to supercharge your betting bank immediately. Treat your betting like a business and invest intelligently with Winning Edge Investments.
Now it's time to head to Will Quigley-Smith, thanks to winningedgeinvestments.com, Australia's best AFL tips for the last 5 years, and it fully gets into the swing of things this weekend. AFL footy, we had opening round last week with a number of games, and Will was all over it for us. He gave us Jagger Smith over 22.5 disposals, correct, 27. Swans to win, correct. They won by 63, so pressure's on, Will. You've got to back it up. It's one thing to be great, but it's another thing to be consistently great. Are you feeling confident about things?
Yeah, mate. Thanks for having me back on. I'm feeling good. It's good to have the full slate of games back. It's good to be back.
Carlton, Richmond. So it's tonight at the MCG. This was the traditional opener over a number of years before they came up with the concept of opening round. But big crowd, no doubt. Carlton, the sheen taken off the excitement of a new season in the second half against the Swans at the SCG. Take on Richmond, our first look at them properly for 2026. Where are we going with this?
Yeah, don't overreact to the Blues here, I reckon. They were 17 points up, against the Swans, who are a very, very good team in the third quarter and played really well. Voss can wind them up like no one else. I'd expect a response here, and I'd expect a response from some of their good players like Patrick Cripps.
Well, okay. This is like buying after a crash. This is getting in at a good price.
That's exactly what it is. Yes, okay. That's exactly what it is.
Fair enough. I watched The Big Short a couple of weeks ago. Jeez, it's a good movie. Anyway, Bulldogs, GWS Giants. So Saturday afternoon at Marvel. Giants off a good win against the Hawks, and the Dogs after an even better win against the Premiers after they unfurled a flag. So hard one to line up. Where are we going?
Yeah, this one's down at the disposal dome, I like to call it, at Marvel.
The disposal
I'm worried
dome.
about the Giants' midfield. I know they got it done, but Hawthorn don't have a very strong midfield. I'm worried about Clayton Oliver. I think Finn Callahan's still injured. The Dogs look good against the Lions. I'd expect the Dogs to win this one, and I'll give you my free tip of the week here. Toby Green will go over the 19.5 disposal mark. So there's one for the listeners.
So he was on with Fossey yesterday. He was a good chat. Go and check that out on the podcast if you're into your GWS Giants, or Toby Green, who's a bit of a name in AFL footy circles, of course. You called it the disposal dome.
Yes. So because they got the roof on, there's no weather. All the players tend to, their disposal numbers jump up a little bit, particularly the outside guys.
Okay. One to keep an eye on. Thanks for that. Swans Lions Saturday night should be a beauty at the SCG. So Lions, how do they bounce back? Down a few troops though for the game against the Swannies. Yeah,
down a couple, but they were okay last week. They won all the major indicators that would suggest they win the game, but there's so many variables that the ball just has to bounce the wrong way. You lose by 5 points is what it is. I'd expect them to respond here. The line is 19.5. Whether they win or not, I'm not sure, but I think they would cover that. The Swans, I still wasn't convinced with that first half, albeit once their midfield got on top, as we discussed last week, they were incredible. This could be the grand final preview for all we know. This will be an absolute belter at the FCG. Looking forward to it. Yeah, looking forward to it likewise as well. But Toby Green plus 19.5 disposals is your banker for the week, or verging on, in a game where spot fires will break out all over the place. These two are heated rivals, GWS Giants and Dogs. Will Quigley-Smith, good luck to you over the weekend. Thanks for your input once again, and we'll catch you next week. Thanks, Adam. See you, mate. Cheers, Will. WinningEdgeInvestments.com, Australia's best AFL tips for the past 5 years.
Welcome to the Winning Edge Investments podcast. Winning Edge Investments provides industry-leading horse racing and sports betting tips, ratings and education, enabling you to invest intelligently and treat your betting like a business. Go to www.winningedgeinvestments.com. To learn more about how you can start to supercharge your betting bank immediately, treat your betting like a business and invest intelligently with Winning Edge Investments.